There's a severe shortage nationally, and we all know it. But as the coronavirus pandemic worsens, the need for protective masks seems to be an increasingly bigger story. Well, one business right here in Sarasota is using the talents of their seamstresses currently furloughed to give back to those fighting on the front lines of this crisis.
So they're in their homes right now. They can't work, but they do have their own sewing machines. They don't have the ones that can manufacture our handbags, but they said they want to stay busy. They want to make a difference. They want to be the difference. And so if we take it on in quantities that we can handle and not make this a business, just make it a give back, they're all for this.
BSWANKY's mission is manufacturing luxury handbags by a team of professional women in above standard factory conditions. But Bauer says calls started rolling in asking if her seamstresses could help.
Ours are up to a standard that they need for the triage level. So in nursing homes for their volunteers and first point of contact, ours are 2-layer, double pleated, up to the standard of that.
We're particularly excited because they are a cloth-based mask, which means that we can wash them, which is great because it will lower the amount of masks we need to be bringing in every day.
Bauer, ever the trendsetter, says safety and functionality are priority, but of course, her masks need to be swanky.
You would be amazed at how much the environment changes when somebody is interacting with a resident with a colorful, kind of friendly-looking medical mask versus I can show you that this is one of the other masks we're using. This is a dust mask, basically.
Bauer's team of sewing superheroines are working on filling orders for not just Aviva Senior Living, but Pines of Sarasota Senior Living and even Sarasota Sheriff's Department. Reporting in Sarasota, Jenna Brew, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.